Hello guys, welcome to YouTube channel. This is Joyab. So this video, actually I wasn't prepared to do it, is on how people hack Facebook accounts. The various ways people hack your Facebook accounts. There are various ways they do it, but just the two that I've been exposed to most recently, and I'm going to share it with you, probably to help you in other ways. The first one was with this contact. What happened was that the person has deleted the messages. So let me go to the screenshot I have of that message. Since the person has deleted the message, so I think if probably I've not taken a screenshot, there have been something else. So the person chat me, "Hi, how are you doing? Good." Then when I joined the sexy group, I said no. I was saying no, and mistakenly I typed now NAW instead of NAA. So the person says, "Send me your Facebook number and password so that I can add you." Your Facebook number and password so that I can add you. No one needs your password. Sorry, number and password. No one needs your password to be able to add you to a group. On Facebook, they can add you without your name and password. So if I was a newbie, I told him or her, "I'm not a newbie, I'm sending you nothing." The person just goodbye me. If I was a Nino and I sent it, basically they'll just take over my Facebook account because they don't know the details. They can change my name, change the number, and I can no longer get access to it. So that's a way of hacking it, and they target those with higher accounts and attention. Another way is this is what they did. I just called the person to confirm that this message was not sent by him. The person, they sent me a message like this: "It's you in the video," and when you click on the link, it will lead you somewhere. And because I'm very skeptical about my lesson, I didn't open it there. What I went is I opened PHX browser where I don't have any detail there. My Google account is not logged in here, so no account of mine is logged in here. So let me just paste the link there, and this is the link. It's gonna load and take you to a website. So the comment in the video is kind of trying to get you into watching. So it will lead you to a website where you'll be asked to enter your details, your Facebook name and your Facebook password. So let it load. As you can see how it's loading, check at the top here. You'll realize that there are changes being made. That is just to tell that this is the website itself, but look at what they'll continue to redirect you until they get to this page. So on this page, this looks like Facebook exactly, and they'll tell Facebook needs you to verify your account information to allow you have access to this video. So what you basically do is what you start typing your name, your password, and when you try to log in, there will be no access to login. You cannot log in or anything. And basically that's what would have happened. What would have happened if you had clicked it on Facebook is this: if your click was on the Facebook, first thing that will happen is they'll first send the message will be sent to all your contacts. That's how it is. It's not just a straight link. It will send to all your contacts first. Then after it has sent same message to all your contacts in a broadcast form, it will ask you for your details. So when you enter your details, then they take up your details and control your account, and probably if they change the password and everything, you will not have access to it. So I just called the person to confirm that. So anytime someone sends you a link, especially, just be sure to confirm from the person. You can call the person on phone and confirm that, to make the person confirm that yes, I really sent you this link, before you click on it, or provide your details. And whenever a link from Facebook is sent to you and the request for your password or your number in a redirected page, don't do it. Whenever they ask you, the Facebook itself will never redirect you as far as you're on their app. So if there's a redirection to enter your details, don't enter. It's fishy. If anyone is requesting for your password, whatever SMS they've sent to your phone, whatever password that you have, it's your personal data, it's your security stuff. So you don't have to send it out, else people are going to hack you and they'll mess up your life. Like seriously, people, they ask the person has been sent. So If I was hacked also, I would have thought he's an accomplice with them. Meanwhile, he doesn't even know it. He's also a victim. So try and keep safe while you're on the media. The web is dark. The dark web is moving fast, and it's even capturing the internet itself, the one that we all know, the 4% we are using. The dark web is capturing. People are stealing data and all others. So you gotta keep safe and keep yourself protected. Subscribe to my channel for more important tips and tricks on this, because it's good to keep safe. Subscribe. I'm Joey Yabzo. Until I see you in my other videos. Bye bye.